In front of me is TECLAST T60, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access passwords and accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google under Autofill Service. Select Google Password Manager and tap on any password that you wish to check. Now enter your screen lock and click on this eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!